We're about to feed Monty this mouse. Look at him. He's ugly. He's fat, hairy. If I get you to the other side of it, it's really hairy. If you can see all that hair on him. You see its whiskers too. You want to see its whiskers? I don't know if you can see the whiskers, but they're there. They're pretty long whiskers. He knows it's coming. He smelt it on me, so let's see how fast he takes it today. Or she. Monty. Yum, yum, yum. Where's your food? Where is it? Where is it? Come get it. Come on. Oh, yeah. Smell it. Smell it. Come on. I know you're hungry. You didn't eat yesterday. Come on. Look. Ready? Ready? You smell it? You smell it? Get it. There you go. Got it. It's a big mouse for a skinny little snake. You have the same size head as the mousey. Hey Gwen, I want to put these tongs in the sink, please. How long is it going to take for you to eat this guy? Look at you. Look at how cute this is. It's kind of sick that I think this is adorable. There you go. Get your mouth around it. Go ahead. Drag him around if you got to. Drag him around. Eat that head. You eat that head. You bite. Come on, bite. Swallow. Come on, baby. You can do it. There you go. There you go. See if I can get some different angles without scaring you while you're eating. Really not supposed to do this. You're supposed to be alone and leave him be, but since he's eating some, big mouse, it's kind of cool to watch. Sorry that I'm moving it around so much, but it's just really cool. If you can see how wide he's opening his jaw up, it's completely unlocked. And he's basically just, trying to shove the whole mouth, the mouse inside of his mouth. You can see one of the arms hanging out of his mouth. He didn't get that one in all the way. He will, though. We will get it in. You see how wide he gets? Or she. We haven't figured that one out yet. And he's just going. Look at that. Look how big. You go, Monty. There you go. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, you know that tastes good. That mousey tastes real good, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, get it all in there. All of it. Almost there, baby. Almost there. You have to wiggle around a little bit so that way you can get it to slither down into his stomach, which is about halfway down his body. Kind of like a human. It's after, you got your lungs, which are their lungs are slightly above their stomach. And contrary to what a lot of people say, they actually do have bones, just like us. And their bodies actually on the inside are formed just like us too. They're not very different. Are you almost done, baby? I see a tail, or it looks like the tail coming out. Are you going to get the tail in there? Yep, there you go. And as you can see, he's like just wiggling his body, pushing it down, using his muscles, pushing it all the way down. He closed his jaw. However, sometimes they like to open their jaw again. It's a process for them to relock it. It's actually a painful process for them to unlock their jaw. So, there's many people that are so scared of snakes, but in reality, they don't want to attack you because it actually hurts. But a lot of people are just scared. They will bite. Mine doesn't, but they will if they feel that they're threatened. But like I said, it hurts, so, they'll try their hardest not to attack. Once the mouse gets halfway down its body, which is in its stomach, then you can pick it up and put it back in its cage. But you'll literally see a big lump. As you can see right there, that goes from real skinny to a huge lump. That's where the mouse is. And it's very normal for him to do what he's doing right now and rubbing his face along the edges.